Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another video, another look. Today is just all about how to highlight and contour your face when you are doing your makeup here. So if you are not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. And a very big thanks to all my returning and my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on turning in. May God bless you all. With that being said, let's just continue with the video. So I'm using this Stay Matte primer to apply my face, before the foundation. So I'm using my hand to blend it. You can use brush, whatever way you want. So I'm using these two foundation, elegant foundation full coverage and the black up foundation. So I'm using the beauty sponge to blend the foundation in. So it's a full coverage. You have to apply little quantity for you not to add so much. If you are that person that like full coverage, so it's okay. But if you are not that person, so you have to apply little, blend first and see if it's okay before you can add any other product. So that is what I'm doing. So you can also blend it to your neck, so you bring everything will go together, your face and your neck. I'm going for elegant concealer name called Toffee. That is what I'll be using to highlight my under eye and my bridge of nose, my forehead, my cheek, and all all the parts I want to highlight. That is what I'm doing. So I'm using black opal contour. So the color is a Suede Mocha. That is the color, the tone, skin tone. So the number is a LH6. So that is what I'm using to contour my forehead, to make it small, like small. That is what I'm doing now. So I'll still use a beauty sponge to blend the contour, the concealer, and all. Yeah, I use it almost everything. So I use it. So that is what I'm doing. So I'm using my favorite Sacha Buttercup to highlight all the places which I want to highlight. So I'm using the same, the same beauty sponge, that beauty sponge have product. So I saw this big YouTuber, which I forgot her name now, so I saw her using it, so it blends super good. So I'll be trying it, using it, it worked for me and it's very good. It blends easily and no stress. It directs that is it. That is what I'm doing now. So keep on watching. So I'm using Snake contour powder, to blend where I contour before, with contour liquid. So that is what I'm doing. I'm still using the same beauty sponge. I said it before. I use the beauty sponge for almost everything. So, I surprised it gave me good result, at the end of it. I didn't know I was using it, but I just decided to, So I use it all. So I'm going for e.l.f. blush. So I'm using this brush to blend it to make my cheek to look pop. That is what I'm doing. So just do it, blend it up to your hair. Yeah, I think hair. So just blend it up to your hair. Even I take it to my forehead. Can you imagine that? I take it to my forehead. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. So I'm using my powder, MAC powder, dark. Yeah, dark, deep dark. So that is what I'm using to blend it all to make it look good. So I'm highlighting my cheek with Revolution. So I'm using this brush. So I'm taking for this good. Is it good? Yeah, good. So that is what I'm using. So I use my finger to do my bridge nose to make it point a little bit, though I don't have this pointed nose, but we pretend to bring it out. So I highlight my cheek and all my forehead. So that is what I'm doing. So here is the final look of this contour and highlighting. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you all. Bye. Juicy.